All right, guys, we are in lesson one of topic four, I do believe it is. So make sure that you are following along with me. Now, we have been talking, let's take a look at the book really quick. We've been talking about energy and energy conversions. That's that's a lot of information. We've been talking about a lot of different vocabulary words that we're using, like fuel, combustion, turbine, generator, battery, device, and primary. Those are some big words. So let's take a look at on page 58. We talked about using energy and how people use energy and how people make energy and those kinds of things. So it's interesting to see all of that information and try to pull it all together, especially the fuels. They're talking about primary or original sources of energy. Is source of energy of most of all is the fuel from the sun. So those are some kind of those are fuels that can be used to burn anything. But then there's also chemical energy. So that's what we're going to be reading about today. Chemical energy is right here. Chemical energy, so it's on page 59. So read along with me. Fuels burn and produce energy as heat and light. So think about a fire, right? If you set a piece of wood on fire, what are you feeling off of there? You're going to feel that heat from that fireplace. But you're also going to see that flame too, and that's going to, if you shut off all the lights, that light will come off that fireplace. This energy comes from a chemical change. The energy is stored in the fuel as chemical energy. During combustion, substances in fuel combine with oxygen to form new substances. These new substances do not have as much chemical energy as the original fuel. Transportation is an important use of fuel. In a car engine, gasoline and air mix. Combustion of the mixture changes and chemical changes stored in the mixture into heat. Hot gases in the engine expand and push against engine parts. The motion of the engine parts move the car. You can tell that combustion of gasoline releases heat by touching the hood of a car after it's been running for a long time. So go ahead and go to your notes pages and go ahead and start writing your notes pages and completing those notes pages based on what we saw here, okay? Good luck and have fun.